bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shapa phethu kunjani cameraman team Focus Wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Yeah bafethu, on today's episode we are looking at Kaizer Chiefs. Ijourney yabo so far since they've hired a new coach. Sizobuka nje izinto nathi esezenzakele nezenzakalayo. Obviously it's our thinking bafethu. We might be right, we might be wrong. Football is a game of opinions. Everyone knows that, right?
Yeah.
So yeah bafethu, just make sure ukuthi nawe usinikeza your opinion. Ngifuna siqale mfethu, a lot has happened with the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
But before we start, mhlawumbe let's say just nje RIP to Grootman, Jaden Adams.
Yeah. Rest in peace to Grootman. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Kubhlungu. Kodwa what can I say? Sisitudu umndeni wakhe, the Adams, Mamelodi Sundowns players, the nation is lost. So everyone in the country, we are mourning the loss of Jaden.
Yeah, true. Bafethu, yeah. Moving on, Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, bafana bokuthula noxolo. Abangenalo uxolo.
Kwendekani.
Ngifuna nje siqale ekuqaleni mfethu about the things that have been happening. Sikhulume mhlambe ngeteam esihambile. There are players who have not been included.
Yeah.
With team ehambile. Talk about Bo Lilepo, Bo Tabocele, yeah, and so on and so on. Yeah. But with team ehambile, you already played a 1-1 Lokunjan draw against the Rangers, which is a formidable team. Yeah. Bathi ikore ngenhlanhla. But ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi uyibona i-direction ye-Chiefs ibheke ngakuphi, given what you see right now.
Yeah. Athi sithi nje obviously okunye ama-rumors nobo.
Yeah.
Asinayo mhlawumbe information emphelele, but like you said, the players we've mentioned, we've noticed ukuthi abekho with the squad, and obviously rumors are saying these players want to go, you know.
Yes.
And I feel like the fact what's about including to the squad, we can easily say Kaizer Chiefs is moving in a different direction. It's a better one, sazokubona logo, but the fact ukuthi kunabadlali besicabanga bakhi that are not included bafuna ukuhamba, and mhlawumbe it feels like asimile endleleni yabo. If it's going to come I'll say mhlambe there's a new coach njengoba sazi that is in charge, mhlambe involved, that is willing to let these players go. So if the players want to go, they are not happy. Obviously we're building something new, so I believe ukuthi i-coach mhlambe ibone singakuboni, and the attitude ayifuna mhlambe akuyona abadlali abaza nayo like uLilopo wethabocela, you know, type of thing. So I believe ukuthi ukusala kwabo it means a new start for Kaizer Chiefs. And then sibukele igame abayidlalile, even though singayibukelanga fully, but to just to state it changing ngengayibona, having players like Abu Patman,
But it's a preseason, you wouldn't really.
But I'm just saying with the time he spent, you know, we always cry about giving Villas a chance to play, you know. Okay. So if numbers would play even on a preseason game, then obviously you don't even believe what Masakali says in uzodlala about 70 minutes, from 70 minutes always. So now seeing him at the game compared to abanye badlali ngibamenishile sikhala ngabo, it tells you ukuthi coach mhlambe is building something different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What about coach and management? Ngifuna ngoqhamuka in your own words. Ngokucabanga kwakho. Obviously bafethu, it's our own thinking, as I'm saying. It's our own words. I will put it that way. So that umuntu angeze sugarcoat lento. We are not right. No, we are wrong either. It's up to you ukuthi ibuka kanjani. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ukuthini lokho, because previously we've seen some of noma ngakazi azaphumele out there amanye ama decisions or ezinye inqumo that were taken, you could tell ukuthi kunendlela ukuthi engazuthi iyafaveka i-decision ethile, and it seems to hurt the team one way or the other. Right now seeing ukuthi kunabadlali who are big players, ongasho ukuthi they were quite important to Kaizer Chiefs, but ngalesi sikhathi bengekho included. What would you say about the management and coach?
Now, we would say usually Kaizer Chiefs, ne? So much I believe was some decisions that were made previous seasons and all that. Management was having an upper hand in making these decisions, you know, and favoring certain players because of their profile, you know, go to band and then it's it is. But now having this new coach, you know, something you can easily spot to he's involved more than management.
Yeah,
Yabo.
kahle they've let
Yes.
him do his job
Yes.
fully. Arun team ngalendlela ayirana ngayo
Yes.
from the ground. Bona they handle the admin level.
Yes, we can see all that. Sakubona lokho njengoba labadlali abangekho nalabadlali esibadedelile abanye we are willing to let them go for free, like looking at Tusirino kuhamba kwakhe. That management yakudala will keep him. Will keep him just for the coach. So now you see coach is saying okay, mhlawumbe akahambe, it's fine.
Yeah.
You know? Look, Ulilep is not there. But ngabe kudala ngabe usenikiwe my life for now, whatever, if that's the case. Ngabe sekwenzekile, but the coach is like, okay, I'll work with what I have. It feels like he's more in control than management, you know.
Yeah.
So I feel like going forward, if Ngabambe and coach be more involved, Kaizer Chiefs can become that giant it was.
Okay. Let's talk about the transfers because we haven't seen a lot of you my transfers.
Yeah.
What is your thinking about the transfers? Two transfers now our free agent, if I'm not mistaken. So you've let some free agents to welcome some free agents.
Yeah.
What is your take on that?
I think it's always been historical Kaizer Chiefs who sign my free agents, right?
Okay.
But right now, looking at this, if we really want to say we are building it, we shouldn't be signing players for the sake of signing, you know. So for me personally, I think good right with us signing that much. Yeah, give the coach time to assess his squad sakhe. Abone ukuthi mhlambe kuphi la dinga khona abadlali bapha abahambayo bapha bazodlala type of thing, because we can sign seven squad esiningi and then still asireleasanga. If you look at the numbers asireleasanga abantu abaningi.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe abafika like 5 or 4. So we are bothered we're still using the same squad. So now the coach must assess the squad and then we can start signing. But also obvious, some teams it's hard to make business with Kaizer Chiefs, you know.
No. That's we're going well with this. You continue mention that line. That's playing a big team. We can't allow that. You are playing a big team now.
Yo.
I wouldn't allow that.
No, but I was not gonna say bad. So what I'm trying to say is
that's the nature of business. Business is brutal.
Yes. So obviously, now man just cool. We're recording this video. And we know what the Chiefs is trying to get opinion about from Mr. Porsche. But obviously, there are issues hindering the deal. Eshi to Prince being part of the deal. Kaizer Chiefs is about to add another player in cash. You know those things that are difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to do transactions and my team. So
it's you saying, Guti, I'm not blaming. I'm not complaining, but I'm complaining. That's the vibe I'm getting about
this. Obviously, we want to sign players, but if you work with what you have, you know.
You build connections. Exactly. Because I will always tell you, you build connections. You do good. So that now you receive the same treatment.
Yeah. No, I agree.
I wouldn't make references on that one.
Yeah, no, I agree.
But yeah. Yeah, but it changed, my friends. That's what I wanted to mention. It changed when you are going through a change. There are a lot of things to consider, and you don't see the future until you arrive. Then you can see. That's why ngifuna ukubuza ke manje, because we don't see the future right now, and knowing Kaizer Chiefs supporters, they will then ask ukuthi why bengazwanga ama signings. Let's say okay, there's still time to do the signings, fair enough, but the pace at which you are going, it looks like there will be a few signings, you know. I get your point. The coach is still reviewing the players and whatnot, but there will come a time where the results are not going your way, what should then the supporters do? What should then the management do in such instances, based on what you have just told us now?
No, phela I think yes, njengobusho manje zathi let's say mhlawumbe akezinto esiwalindele ngakhona, right?
Yeah.
Obviously yazi now supporter le team lesiyalo asina impatient, you know. So but I like ukuthi mhlambe sibekezelele coach mhlambe until the next transfer window, because mhlambe obviously yena izovala without making the signings mhlambe siwadingayo, you know.
Okay.
So I'll be able to okay. And but obviously one spoke about this with the new coach. Sometimes we might not get the results, but we should see what he's trying to build. You know, we should see a change in play. Maybe something that okay, this is our identity.
Okay.
What's happening? If we can see such things, even though the results may not come or slow, but you're like okay, with what we are building here, if we can get to sign and go next transfer window, then we ask, but okay, if we can make good signings with how we're playing, with what we're trying to be, then we can say Kaizer Chiefs is getting somewhere. So we got that thing, we're patient.
Is it fair to say that at least 2 years? Because when you say the next transfer window, it would be at the middle of the season.
Yes.
And you also consider what players should adapt. Yeah. You know, they adapt well if they started the team and they went through the preseason with the team. So if bezofika in the middle, it's either they hit the ground running or they would be slow, you know, because already there are players who are playing in those positions who have started the season, you know.
Yes. No, I agree. So when I'm saying right now, it will be a project for the next 2 seasons, so not just 1 season. But what I was trying to say is, I'm going to uzokala phela ukhumbule Chiefs asinayo impatient. So mase sifika ku mid season, right? What I'm saying, angeke phela ulanda abadlali abaningi. Just those few positions. Ungafika ushintshe the entire team ku season iphakathi nendawo. No. What I'm saying, get those few players, release these few. Angithi uyabuild. Just prepare for next season ngemanje. So that's what I'm trying to say. Akuthi uyolanda abadlali abaningi. No, just a few nje. Then we should be right. Masingaba patient nje nani coach.
In closing, sesiyavala manje. Where do you see Kaizer Chiefs finishing? That's your honest. I'm not gonna interject or whatsoever.
I think we're still gonna be on the top 8.
Top 8.
I think we're gonna.
I think you are playing it safe. I want the supporter in you to tell us, not good you are in the top 8. Because if you are saying you are in the top 8, you already finished third. Are you telling me that you want to finish number 7?
Okay, I'm going back to top 3. Is that safe enough?
Okay.
You want
it's your answer.
I'll be on top 3. I'll be on top 3. Okay. But obviously I'm going all out to win it.
That's you playing it safe still. I want you to tell me, Uti, I don't see us not winning the league because we have finished this match. That's a supporter in me.
Let's talk,
you know.
Let's talk about this one this time.
I know that is not a supporter. When you find about analysts of South Africa, not the analysts, but journalists who will tell us in the Mrs. Veles. I know. Yeah, bafethu. Then tell us ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs niyibona imove towards direction njengamanje. We would like to see nje ukuthi nina nicabanga kanjani about the Kaizer Chiefs setup, the way it is, the coach. If unenkinga futhi coach, tell us, because asifuni ukuthi mangabe siphakathi season bese uthi hayi mina nganitshela sitshele la so that sizoba na reference ukuthi wasitshela ngempela. Ungathi hayi mina vele ngiyibonile lento at that time. Ngeke sisazi ukuthi uyibone kanjani. Asifuna umuntu ozenza ukuthi ubone ifuture. She reference, then we will say hayi washo sibani bani. Yeah bafethu. Otherwise we'll see you on another one.